Imagine earning over $47 with just a single click of a button. Clicking it 10 times in one day could make you over $470. The best part? It's completely free and available worldwide. Watch this video till the end to learn how you can do it step by step. First, visit ChatGPT and type, "Give me 50 of the most popular ancient story ideas for social media." ChatGPT, one of the most advanced AI tools, will provide you with a list of the most engaging and well-known ancient story ideas from around the world. You can select any category of stories you like. These ideas are perfect for creating short, captivating videos for social media. Now, don't worry, you won't need to create any videos yourself, show your face, use a camera, or even record voiceovers. I'll introduce a powerful AI tool that will handle all these tasks for you. If you follow every step in this video, you'll discover how to earn $47 per click. Here's why we're focusing on ancient story ideas. If you search for the YouTube channel Stellar Sagas, you'll see that they grew to over 400,000 subscribers with just 51 videos. Each video generates millions of views, and while they earn about $2,000 monthly from YouTube ads, their primary income comes from promoting their video creation and editing course through a link in their bio. Their course costs over $100, and they earn anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 monthly just from this. With just 10 course purchases daily, they're making $1,000 daily. But don't worry, you don't need to create any courses or videos yourself. Instead, I'll show you a beginner-friendly method to create similar content and start earning. Next, visit Clipwise AI, an innovative tool for creating stunning videos from simple text prompts in just minutes. I've included the link to Clipwise AI in the description and comments for your convenience. Once on the website, you'll see examples of videos in various niches like history, science, and travel. These videos look incredible and can be created effortlessly using Clipwise AI. Start by asking ChatGPT to narrate your selected story, such as the fall of Icarus, as if it's being told in a video. Once you have the narration, copy the text into Clipwise AI after signing up for an account. The dashboard lets you set your preferred language. English works great for a history channel. And choose a video duration. 60 seconds is ideal for shorts. Paste the narration into Clipwise AI, select a cinematic visual theme, and let the tool generate the video. You can customize it further by selecting a voiceover, adding effects, and including background music, which Clipwise AI can suggest for you. After a few minutes, your video will be ready. Download it and upload it to your YouTube channel. Repeat this process to create multiple videos quickly. Finally, you can start earning money by promoting Clipwise AI as an affiliate. Click on the affiliate option on their homepage to join their program. With each new referral, you can earn up to $2,000 annually. For example, 100 referrals subscribing to their monthly plan at $39 each will generate $780 per month for you. If they opt for the annual plan at $235, you'll earn $47 per sale. Register as an affiliate, get your unique referral link, and add it to your video descriptions. When viewers sign up using your link, you'll receive commissions on autopilot. This tool is in high demand for content creators, making it an excellent opportunity for recurring income. That's it for today. Follow the steps, start creating, and let me know your progress in the comments. If this helped, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching. For